Hello everybody, and today we are starting a new series about building a calculator. And we are doing this with IMGUI, and that's a graphical user interface built on the programming language C++, and that's perfect for us because we want to learn that. And yeah, let's try to figure out how I can do that. And let's go. The first thing I've done is to find IMGUI on GitHub and I have to download this whole repository now on my computer that I can start it on Visual Studios, and for that I have a link here, and with that link I can copy it or clone it into on my computer. And for this I created here a new folder, IMGUI calculator, and here I can delete that and I can write CMD inside, and I can open my console to write my commands to directly download it into my folder. And now I try to figure out how I can clone it into my folder, and for this I have to make this command, the git clone, and then minus recursive, so I don't copy any files that I don't need, and then the link in it, -b and docking, so I only copy or clone the docking, and then I name my new file calculator, and then when I have this I can actually download it. And now I'm getting an error, and I'm now trying to figure out why this error occurred. And I think I figured out why we have this problem. I first need to download the Git repository so I can actually use the Git commands in our console, and for this I have to go through this process here, and we will see us again when I've done it. So the first thing I had to do was to download Git itself, and I did that by choosing the right one. I've chosen the 64-bit Git for Windows setup, and then I had to check if my Winget is installed or if I have the newest version, and this is for using some applications that use commands from the console, and to actually use them I need this Winget. And if you want to all know that how that exactly works, how Git works in general, here's an amazing book in the internet with git/scm.com. You find everything you need here, getting the Git repository and everything from installing Git. There is everything explained, and you figure out what you need. And now I can actually use Git. I open my console again at my location, and then I can finally write something with Git. And when I write Git, for example, I have a show off of the commands that I could use, but we don't want to use them all. Here, for example, we have clone, and that's exactly which command we are using. We write git clone, and then we have recursive, that we don't take all the files inside of all the files that we don't use. Then we have our link from the GitHub, that we have the files that we want. Then we make /b and then docking, that we only download the docking from the URL and not all the files that are on it. And after that we can name our folder, and we say it's the calculator. And when we run this, it will automatically download us our files in our folder. And when we enter this, it's cloning everything into my folder here in the folder calculator. And when this is done, we can actually start IMGUI. And now everything is downloaded, and we can click on it, and we have here all the code we need, and especially all the examples. IMGUI has for everything examples, and for learning that is just perfect. And you can use it for everything. You can use it for DirectX, Vulkan, OpenGL. There are the other things like the for Apple, for Windows, the GLFW API, and everything you wish for. And we can just start that with Visual Studios. And for now, we are just opening everything, and we just click OK. And there are all the files we have, and we can just choose one to work with and start with it. And now we can run it. And as you can see, we started the DirectX 9 example, and this is because this is already set up on my computer because I have Windows, but it's enough for now because you can see all the examples you can do in IMGUI, and there are a lot. And that's our platform that we are using to build our calculator. And I sadly have to say that's it for today's video because it's a little bit too late now, and I still hope you enjoyed it or learned something, and for now I say bye.